All right, this is Bruce, and for those of you who are interested, we have another opportunity, and it's coming from Jennifer Smith for us a job in Monterey, California, with federal agencies. And let's get into this. All right, before we start, you should know that I have a course if you're interested in getting into cybersecurity and making upwards of six figures, or remote work, working from home, doing IT work and other types of stuff, and how I've been able to do this for many years. Go check out this course. It's free to sign up. You don't not obligated to buy anything. If you get in there and you don't like it, or it's not for you, then you don't have to buy anything. But let's get into this. All right, what are we talking about here? This is a person from IT recruiter at eTalent Network. I get a lot of emails from these guys. You might want to sign up for them if you like this kind of stuff that I put out week to week. A lot of them are from this agency here. There's a place where you can contact them. I'm going to put that in the description below. But this one will be short and sweet. They are looking for, the position is a data center lead. All right, so normally leads, if you see lead, they usually want somebody who's like a leader, who has lots of experience leading and writing, and lots of great interpersonal skills. Let's just see what they want. You know, the best way is just to figure this out is just to go ahead and read through this. Location: Monterey, California. Beautiful place, by the way, very beautiful. Clearance: when they say clearance, they mean things like a top secret clearance or a secret clearance. In this case, all they want is a public trust or higher. Certification: Security Plus or higher. So that's actually, this is looking pretty good so far, even though the data center lead seems a little bit daunting. But Security Plus, they haven't told us how many years of experience, so that's a good thing. All right, summary: here's the job description in a nutshell. Like, this is very high level. I'm not seeing anything like super detailed here, but it's looking for an IT infrastructure lead for DLIFC FLC. Yes, this is a long alphabet. I don't know what that is. If you guys know what this is, put it in the comments below. I'm not sure what that is. I guess I could figure it out real quick. Hold on, let me. Okay, here's what it is right here. Defense Language Institute Foreign Language Center. Oh, that's in Monterey, California. Okay, that's right. So this is the DoD's way that they teach people to different languages. I want to say it's the linguistics people from all over the Department of Defense, where they teach people different languages fluently, to be fluent in different languages to help the United States government. So I guess that's what it is. All right, anyway, they're looking for an infrastructure IT lead for the Defense Language Institute, FLC, whatever the rest of that means, with hands-on experience with Microsoft. And specifically, they want Windows Server 2016, Exchange, Office 365, and VMware, VCenter, VRealize, and Horizon platforms, who has led a team of engineers or administrators. If this sounds interesting to you, I would definitely reach out to them, because this is really thin. They're not really telling us a lot. I would call these guys personally and get more information, or ask them for something more detailed, because this is really like, what are they talking about? Do they want you to, is this hands-on? Are you going to be fixing it? Are you going to be building it from scratch? Are you leading the team? They're not telling us, so I'm not sure where they're going with this. Okay, anyway. Excellent interpersonal, there you go, see, leader, interpersonal, organizational, and written communication, briefing skills, because that's what you're going to be doing as the lead. It sounds like it's not super technical, but I don't know, because they're not explaining that here. So I'm not a fan of these real thin summaries, because it's not telling me enough to know what's going on. It might be that you don't have to, well, it says hands-on experience, but like, what kind? Is it development? Is it like troubleshooting? Is it like, what level of engineering are we talking here? Anyway, expert experience in implementation and administration. So it tells us a little bit of something. So here's another position. This is a 2 for here. Got a 2-for-1 deal here at the same location. They still want you to be in Monterey, California. It's a public trust or higher. It's Security Plus and CCNA or CCNP, which is a Cisco certification. So that tells us a little bit of something. So this is a network infrastructure lead. And for this one, they're a little bit more specific. They're saying they want you to be able to deployment and administration of routing, switching, wireless, firewall technologies, load balancing protocols, experience with brocade devices and operating systems, and they want you to have experience with Aruba, Ruckus wireless devices, experience with Palo Alto network devices, operating systems, ability to interface with multiple monitoring systems, and establish reports. So that tells us something. If you're interested in this, I will put this contact information that you see here in the description below so that you can get more information about these two positions. But that's it, guys. And again, if you're interested in knowing how to get into cybersecurity, if you're interested in knowing more stuff I don't necessarily put on YouTube, just go right here, sign up for this. It's free. See you guys later.